We're going to do a little bit of practice with prompting during text reading. So the first thing I'd like you to do is just review under section 3 of the lesson plan these text reading prompts for the D through I lesson plans. Then you're going to listen to a reader read, pause the video, decide what you would say, and then unpause it to see how I responded. Okay, go ahead and read. Point and read. Yeah.
My brother is sick. He has a tummy ache. Let's take him to Dr. Jen.
Did that sound right? Dr. Jen? What is
No.
she? What is she?
Doctor.
Oh, let's try that again. Make sure it makes sense.
Let's take him to Dr. Jen.
You got it. Go on.
My father is sick. He has a cog. Let's take him to Dr. Jen.
You said he has a cog. Does that sound right?
No.
No. You know, actually, when you put these two letters together, do you know what sound that makes? Yes. So when you get here, cough, try that again. Here we go. He
has a
cough. You got it. He has a cough. Does that sound right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
My mother is ill. She has a sore throat. Let's take Hare to Dr. Jen.
Good pointing. I like how you're pointing right underneath each one of these words. You said, let's take Hare to Dr. Jen. Does that sound right?
No.
No, let's look at this word. I bet you know this part. What sound is that?
Her.
Yeah, now put it together.
Her.
What's that word?
Her.
Okay, the whole sentence, please.
Let's take her to Dr. Jen.
That's what good readers do. They check for a part that they know. That helps, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Point and read.
My grandpa does not feel well. He has stiff knees. Let's take him to Dr. Jen.
Let's take him to Dr. Jen. Hey, what's this? When it's all by itself, what sound does that I make?
I.
Yeah, what sound would that I make when it's all by itself in that word?
Eh.
Yeah. Now try that word.
Stiff.
There you go. Read that sentence.
He has stiff knees.
Does that sound better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My Grammy has an earache. She can't hear well. Let's take her to Dr. Jen. Dr. Jen's looking in her ear. You know, this could be Grammy, but look at this part. Do you see a part you know? What's that word? Mother.
Oh my. So let's try this.
Grandmother.
Grandmother. It's almost like Grammy, but it's a little different. Now you point and read that. My
grandmother has an earache.
That's right. Good readers look all the way through that word. Read.
When my family is sick, we go to Dr. Jen. She makes us feel better.
Ooh, I like that pointing. Very good pointing. This time when you read, when you come to this, what do we call that mark right there?
Comma.
Yeah, it's a comma. So when you come to the comma, I want you to just take a little breath. And then when you come here, what's that little punctuation called?
Period.
When you come to the period, take a bigger stop. And that's going to make this make a little bit more sense. All right, so read right up to there, take a breath, and then right up to there and take a bigger stop before you go down here. Let's try that.
When my family is sick, we go to Dr. Jen.
That sounds good. Keep going.
She makes us feel better.
That's right. Now, good readers, they got to watch that punctuation. It'll help that sentence make sense.